Alright, Twist, this is a video for the free contest. I can't turn it up real loud too long, but I'm going to try to see what I can do with this little bottle, so let you know how much it's flexing, man. Let me rewind just a little bit. This is the best song I got for to show how much it really flexes. This is AWOL still. It probably not gonna be the best video, man, but it's what I got, what I can do in my neighborhood. I really can't turn it up too much, but let's see if I can win something, man. Later.